Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-35 license. Now, in the state of California, the D-35 Pool and Spa Maintenance Contractor installs, replaces, or repairs pool motors, pumps, filters, gas heaters, and any above ground piping in connection with pools. Includes electrical switches, breakers, pool lights, diving boards, existing solar systems that heat pools, pool and spa acid baths, and applies vinyl liners to existing surfaces. Now, this classification falls under the limited specialty umbrella. I'm not going to go through all these points. I've got this definition linked below. However, there are 2 points that are pertinent to this video that I want to take a quick look at. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the work you're doing, the scope of work you're performing, falls under the correct classification and that it is accepted by the CSLB so that you don't run into any issues. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold the D-35 license are doing pool cleaning. So this is your standard cleaning and maintenance, generally in a residential and commercial setting: pools, hot tubs, spas, jacuzzis, filter pump and basket replacement, debris skimming, various types of cleans. This could include sanitation, balance chemistry, often includes vacuuming and draining, just your standard pool cleaning service. Now, the next you have is pool repair and maintenance. So again, based on the description provided by the CSLB, this could also include pumps, motors, filters, heaters, timers, various kinds of equipment installations and upgrades, troubleshooting and diagnostic work. You always want to make sure that what you're doing is in line with the CSLB's description and that is accepted by the CSLB always. You always want to go by what the CSLB says. Now, again, this could include automations, different types of remote controls in some cases, handrail repairs, everything that has to do with the pool repair and maintenance area. Now, in the state of California, you can hold multiple contractor licenses. The most common additional classifications are the C53 swimming pools license, the B general building license, and the C36 plumbing license. Now, we've got a ton of information on our website about holding multiple contractor license classifications. You will need to have the experience that pertains to that classification. However, we've got more information on that on our website. I suggest you check it out. Now, in the state of California, you've got to pass the California Construction Law Exam. This is an exam that is quite varying. It covers many different topics, everything from company organization to advertising and subcontracting, bidding, workers' compensation, insurance, labor laws. We cover all of this in our course that you can find below. Now, the exam is going to be 115 questions. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete it. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that's going to be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, in addition to that, you want to be prepared for math-related questions involving arithmetic, different units of measurement, calculating square footage, and in some cases, percentages and decimals. Now, we show you everything you need to know to pass the exam. It's presented to you in a clear format, easy to understand, with tons of examples and diagrams, essentially a full summary of everything you need to know to pass the exam. This would include physical study guides or ebooks, online videos with tons of audio reviews, online practice exams, a complete math course to prepare you for all those math-related questions, and then, of course, application preparation and review with full customer support throughout the entire licensing process. Now, we've got a separate video that goes into the requirements for the D-35 license. I strongly suggest that you check that out. We've also got the most updated fees as well as links to the application below. We've also got our complete course. If you'd like to check that out, you can find that below as well. I hope you found this information helpful. Drop us a comment. If you have any questions, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.